Tooth Fairy 2 nights in a row. The Tooth Fairy's going broke, especially paying in euro. Come on.
What a girl. This is what lovers do on their anniversary.
It's our anniversary. Whew. C'est joli. We just paddled into this little town this morning. It's just beautiful. It's really hot out today and it's calm. So rather than put the tender down, we took the stand-up boards in, and this harbor is just so sweet. We're in northern Corsica on the western side. I'm not sure yet the name of this village. It's famous for catching all of the crayfish here in Corsica. I think they said they catch about 3 tons per year. So most of the restaurants here serve crayfish. Into this big city in Corsica, and Brad came up to kind of give me some guidance on which anchorage to go to, and we just got massive vibration in the propeller, so I don't know what the hell is stuck in it, but it looks gross, so we're getting the gaff to figure out what it is. But of course there's like tons of traffic around. It's like a cruise ship over there, lots of boats. Anyway, let's see what it is. Oh, it's a plastic bag. Is that all going to be wrapped around the top completely? You got it all? Yeah. God, you're such a hero!
Look at this.
Way to go, Dad! So we have line cutters on our props, which would protect us from ropes, fishing traps, stuff like that, but this was just way too big. It's super thick plastic, so we really got cut up. Problem solved, and we're back underway. Just never know with stuff like that. Really happy that it was as simple of a fix as it was. I say simple, but I didn't have to get in this disgusting water outside of this city with boats all around and check it out, but Brad took care of it for us.
Go.
Okay, what's the plan, Dad?
We are going to a really cool park on the west side of Corsica. So there's supposed to be a cave you go through, a bunch of snorkeling, kind of this soft rocks along the edge of it. There's a cliff before it, and I don't know much else, but there's a lot of tour boats that are all heading this way, so we gotta get there quick.
Ruby wants to go.
Ben, what are we doing this morning? Ben, what are we doing this morning? Why do you always disappear? I need you to tell me what we're doing. Ben, get back here. Charlie, what are we doing this morning?
We're going horse riding.
And what?
What do you mean and then what?
Like maybe swimming with horses?
Oh yeah, we're going swimming on the horses. What time is it?
It's almost 6 o'clock, 6 a.m.
Oh, I thought it was late. I thought it was earlier.
No, we gotta go. Let's go have some fun on this beach. And poor Ruby, she might be watching us on some big horses. She's not gonna be happy. There's Mama.
Ben, you don't have that. I need to brush your hair. Yeah, Ben.
Me, Mom. That's what I do.
Watch your step.
I wasn't going to film this only because I know that I have 2 cranky kids, and so I wasn't going to put a camera in their face, but if you want to do it, knock yourself out. Look at the jacket. Hello.
It's gonna smell like horsey, but that's okay. Hop on.
You're like, well, fine.
Ruby doesn't even want her favorite treat.
She doesn't like those.
No, she loves those.
I couldn't find the chicken bones.
She loves those treats too.
Guys, there's me.
Good girl, Ruby.
Okay, Rubes.
You be good.
You
Love
be
you.
a good girl.
Love you, Rubes.
Yeah.
Lips.
What?
Doing the same bird.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, Dad, you're wasting your time.
I know.
The paranoia that is leaving your tender on the beach.
It's a sign.
This is just a minute, isn't it?
Hold on, this is just a one. What is it, Char?
Just a second. I said it purposely.
As long as it's not too far up here, we're doing pretty good on time. It is 6:25, A to the M.
Pretty good.
Real good. He is getting a little cray this morning. Char, any last minute wishes?
I want to go swimming.
Oh, if we can do that. You don't, or you do?
I don't.
Oh, well, it's too bad.
It's too early.
Just lift your feet.
It's like 6:30.
Lift your feet. Try it on, Charlie. Ben, and it's a fit.
Celle-là, c'est... Elle est...
Say Ben. Yeah.
Celle-là, c'est crame. Ok?
Calm.
Crame.
Okay. And the horse is better tied up than our tender. Yeah, ahead of it. Charlie, I think it's a good match. How's it going up there, Char? This is so cool. Something I've always wanted to do, riding a horse on a beach. So I'm not sure when we swim with them whether they're actually fully in, their feet touching, or are they actually swimming.
Ya dejaste de soñar, cansada de andar, de no poder parar. Tus ojos se ven tristes, ya no sirve ni llorar. El sol volverá y te iluminará. Las nubes se irán y todo cambiará.
Watch next time as we sail to beautiful Sardinia and we're joined by our honeymooning friends.
Junior Hangtime.
Yeah. Hangtime
Oh,
Junior.
little baby Hangtime.
That's cute. I like that.
Junior Hangy.
Just don't like bite it though. Just let it squirm around in your mouth.
Oh my god, yeah.
Salty little bugger.
Oh.
Like we don't believe him. We didn't even ask.